Are you looking for something light for dinner? Welcome back to the family. Welcome back to the family. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I say good evening to all of you from wherever you're watching me. How was your day? My day was brilliant, but as you can see from my eyes, I'm a bit tired because I had a long day at work. I just want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for your likes, your shares, your comments. Sorry, and your views. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, why don't you subscribe to my channel, join the family, and make us one big happy family, and let's share the love. Tonight I'm going to be showing you how I make a quick snack, or will I call it dinner. I'm going to be showing you how I make a chicken wrap. So please stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, did you watch my last video on when my son made dinner for the family? If you didn't watch it, it's gonna pop up somewhere here, or is it here on the screen? And you can just click on it and watch that video. It was awesome. And it was a lovely dinner as well. So guys, I'm going to show you everything I'm going to be using to make my wrap. I've got my super soft seeded wrap. I've got some chicken strips. I also have some fresh tomatoes, some bell peppers, cucumbers, lettuce, and I also have my Hellmans real mayonnaise, which I'm also going to be using. So guys, you can see that now it has been lined, the chicken has been lined out evenly on the oven tray. I've just popped it into the oven and I'm going to be baking at gas mark 120, and I'm going to be using the conventional fan. So I have sliced the tomatoes, made julienne strips out of the bell peppers, and I have also sliced the cucumbers. So now I'm just taking the lettuce out of the bag and I am going to start to wash it. So I'm going to chop off the end part of the lettuce and then I'm going to give it a good wash. So I'm doing this by washing leaf by leaf, as you can see, with very cold water. So now I have finished washing and I have put them to drain in a bowl. As you can see, they're nice, green and juicy, crispy lettuce leaves. So on the back of the pack, it shows you how to wrap and it also gives you ideas of what fillings you can use. So now I have laid out my wrap bread and I'm just squirting on some mayonnaise, and I'm going to be spreading it out evenly on all sides of the wrap bread. This is going to enable it to stick properly while wrapping. Now I'm just breaking off some of the lettuce leaves and I'm going to be using the green soft part of the lettuce leaves for my salad. Sorry guys, did I just say salad? I mean for my wrap. So I am laying it out evenly and now I am adding on my cucumbers and more tomatoes because I love my tomatoes. And then I'm going to be putting on some strips of my bell peppers which I sliced, and then I'm finally going to be putting on some chicken bits. Now I am going to start wrapping it while trying to hold all the ingredients together and wrapping slowly and rolling as I go along. Now I have finished wrapping. I am going to be tucking in the bottom part of it. Now the wrap bread is always very soft, so you need to be very careful while trying to wrap it. As you can see from the inside, I have everything and it's looking nice and colorful. Some people like eating the wrap as a whole, but I prefer cutting it into two. So I'm just cutting it down the middle. And voila, this is my finished wrap. So I am going to be having this with a cup of tea. Guys, what do you think? So guys, we have come to another end of Grace's World. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below on any other video you'd like me to do. Thank you for watching. Bye.